Hurry up, Gabriel! Okay, I'm trying to beat my high score. Ugh. Oh man. You'll be able to pass it. Don't worry. It's been weeks though. Practice makes perfect. Oh, what can I say? Huh? Hey! Candy. You thinking what I'm thinking, Jair? Well, I sure do hope so. I wonder what type of candy this is. It looks like the old people candy. Oh well. At least we won't have to wait for Halloween. But that's the best part. Hey, let's go before my mom realizes we're gone. Right. Hello, boys. Hi. Look, we didn't mean to. No, it's actually quite all right. Did you enjoy the candies I gave out? Good. God, it gets hot in here. Hey, what are you... Oh, boo-hoo-hoo, the tragedy. No. Let's make sure this is the last face you see.